Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to unpack. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the 50 pack C7 LED 9 light bulbs. C7 LED replacement light bulb for Christmas string lights. 0.6 watts, equivalent to 7 watts. The color temperature is warm white, 2200K. And then this type is E12 candelabra base clear plastic LED bulbs. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased with my own money. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and then check it out. $50 pack. So I'm glad I got it. Right now it's back to its original price. So this is safe plastic. And then that's the LED. Yeah, somehow with the incandescent bulb, it burns out so quickly. So I decided to get this. If you have a night light that uses this, or some other light that uses, you want to go and then buy this kind, so that will last longer. They also have different colors. They also have a mix of clear, red, yellow, green, and blue color that you could choose from. The multiple color, but that's a E7 base. So this is a E12. So make sure you get the correct base for your bulb, okay? So this one is the incandescent bulb. Okay. I'm going to install the LED in here. Here's the LED. It's the same color temperature, but this one's gonna last longer. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.